Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ciara Michelle. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, cousin? What's up? What it do? In this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys a little get ready with me, little IG snack. Something cute, something simple. Yeah, I'm coming for throats all 2019. So let's get into the video. So first, starting off, I'm just going to be taking two different foundations and blending that into my face with a beauty sponge. I believe this beauty sponge is from actually Walgreens, and it's really just soft and it's great. Next, I'm going to be taking some concealer under the eye. This is the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn, I do believe, or Toffee, but I think it's Fawn. And I'm just going to be concealing those areas and then taking that NYX brow pencil and doing them eyebrows and using that concealer to make sure everything is clean and sharp. And then I'm going to take that beauty blender and blend everything in again. So I'm going to be setting everything with this Makeup Revolution setting powder. Now, this setting powder, as you can see, I really had to try to wipe it away kind of aggressively. This setting powder, I feel like it has the ability to leave a very yellowish type of cast. But today I liked how it set. It really does set your makeup, and it makes it last a little longer. I do notice that it actually works. Now I'm going to be taking my Black Radiance contour palette in the medium to dark shades and contouring my whole entire face, powder contouring. Then I'm gonna take like this really light, kind of like a nudish white color under my eyes and make sure my eyelids are lighter so my eyes can actually pop. This is a trick I learned to actually make my eyes look very big and give more attention to my eyelashes. And I'm just gonna put some eye mascara on and make them pop a little more. I'm actually going to be reapplying my mascara too. Right now, I'm just applying this highlighter. I believe this highlighter is either from Avon or Mary Kay, but it's really dope. And it's like, I don't know what the texture of that highlighter is, but I actually like it. It's very pigmented. It's probably their best makeup item. And I'm going to reconceal my under eye just because I don't like my under eye not to pop. I like my under eye to look more brighter. So I just decided to put some more concealer on there. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me what's the technique called, because I literally I be doing stuff and trying to see if it actually looks good, if it works. And I find that reapplying my concealer at the end after I set everything, after I blend everything out, I feel like it does make my makeup pop a little more.
You to feel me, come closer, babe, but don't tease me. I want you now. Can you hear me? Can't leave it till I'm satisfied. No, I won't apologize. I'ma keep complaining till we make it. So come inside.
I just want to say, if you made it to the end of this video, I really just appreciate you, and I just genuinely love you and hope that you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and let's just continue making like lit content. Let's continue the engagement. Let's grow together. So see y'all in the next video.
I like the way you're making me feel. Come push up on me, baby, see you.